Okay, running. Alright, so this is the twin, as I call it, and I'm just going to run through the assembly of the twin as you would do it in the field. So these are all the components. Now the tail section, that's partly assembled already because the side pieces are on. Normally if it's transported, the side pieces may not be on the horizontal stabilizer, but we'll leave it like that for now. So we'll start by assembling the wings. So firstly we'll get the spar into this wing. So squeeze that in. I've got a mark here where the middle of the spar is, so I've got a rough idea of how far that needs to go. Right, so that's the left wing. Just get the spar going through there. About the other side. Feed it in. So these are just the left aileron, and this is actually the wire for the elevator which will run out the back of the plane. So I'll get it in a little closer. These are the 3 wires for the motor. That wing in, get the right wing. Again, the 3 wires for the motor, we'll feed them through. And this side only has the aileron control. Okay, so the wings on. I'll just get the tail section. And that's pretty much the plane assembled. We've obviously got to connect up the servo wire for the elevator at the back, and then the motor wires onto the ESCs, and then the controls for the ailerons, and that's pretty much it really. So goes together quite quickly. Okay.